out how. Welcome and hello, I'm Erica Rasha, and I'm here to help you grow your business by helping you understand your audience. So let's get right on into it. Y'all seen the title. Instagram is about to make us rich, y'all. Okay, maybe not, but they're gonna start finally paying us for our work. So Instagram was sick of YouTube taking the coin, because y'all know Google owned YouTube, Facebook owned Instagram, and Facebook said, y'all holding the coin back from us. We want some too. So Facebook realized that they had to start paying the little people in order to get more and more creators on their platform, making better content that'll keep people on the platform longer. So they're starting out Instagram ads. Instagram ads starts this week. So let's dig in deep to what Instagram really had to say about the ad process. Instagram ads are going to be rolled out on IGTV, and that's how creators will get paid. But they have to be IGTV posts that are posted to your feed. So, you know, you can have IG posts, but they're not on your profile or whatever, and you're thinking, you ain't getting paid for that. But if they're posted to your feed, get that check, sis, get that check. So ads are going to be completely mobile friendly. So they're for all mobile users. They're not going to be on desktop just yet. But believe me, it's coming, because Instagram ain't going to miss out on that check. But they're going to be only 15-second long videos, which isn't bad, but it's kind of similar to what YouTube already is. Instagram ads are available to people who follow Instagram's monetization process, but we'll get more into that a little bit later. The Instagram ads, the phase is starting now. This week is the first week Instagram will start rolling out ads on IGTV. However, this is the test phase, so only about 200 creators will be able to have the Instagram ads and be able to make money off of this. So it seems like the ad revenue that you'll be receiving is going to be about 55%, which is about the same as YouTube, because they said it's an industry average, which they just copying YouTube. They knew y'all did this for YouTube. They said, okay, cool, that works for us. So far, what do you think about Instagram ads? Drop your opinions down below in the comments, because I would love to chat it up and see what y'all are feeling. Are y'all feeling Instagram ads? Y'all like, nah, I'm good. It ain't even worth it. What y'all thinking? And also, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can gain more social media tips to help you grow your brand and your business. So in order to get Instagram ads on your video, it must be posted to IGTV. Now, it must be a 2-minute video. So it has to be 2 minutes to 15 minutes in order for you to receive ads. Like we said before, but ads are only going to be 15 seconds, and they're going to start off with just being in the beginning of the videos. But just like how YouTube started rolling them out in the middle, in due time, trust me, they're going to get there. They say that your video has to be advertiser friendly, which is very broad, and that's how they're going to catch y'all up. So y'all just be careful what y'all posting. Don't get any like strikes or anything on your account. That's what's going to stop your coin. Now, all videos that want to be monetized, they have to be in English. Maybe later they'll start working on other languages, but right now they have to be in English, which, is it fair? Not really, but let's talk about it in the comments. We ain't gonna get too much into it here. There can be no copyright, no copyright. So just like how YouTube, you upload and they give you a strike or whatever for copyright, Instagram's copyright policy or whatever, like, you might have the video up for like a good few minutes before they take it down. So you have to be careful. So just cut it. Don't use any of the music at all. Use music that Instagram offers you, but just don't even worry about it, because that's what's going to stop your bag. Now, here's where people are a little upset, because Instagram said none of the older videos, so if you posted a video a while back or whatever, it can't get monetized. Also, if the video is not on your feed, it cannot get monetized. Now, I know we talked about that earlier, but people are really ranting and raving about this, but it is what it is. So if you're on YouTube and you're getting monetized, or you want to get monetized, you know all about CPM. Instagram's version of CPM is called RPM, which actually later on this month, I have a video coming up all about CPM and things. So if y'all want to know about CPM, RPM, whatever PM, then make sure y'all subscribe, because videos come out at what? 5 p.m. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss that, and we can get all into the details. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. So I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about my opinion. So I feel like this is all a ruse. Instagram knew they wanted more money. Instagram is been perfectly fine, but they are like, we're leaving out a part of the bag. So they're coming for YouTube's next. And now YouTube better be careful, because Instagram is simple. It's easy to be on Instagram all the time. It's hard to watch longer videos. Instagram videos are usually short. It's like that. You expect it. It's going to be easier for creators to roll out Instagram videos, and then they can do everything on one platform. Instagram gives you that opportunity to connect more with your audience. That's why so many businesses, so many creators are so successful on Instagram, or so successful, period, because they have an Instagram and their Instagram following. And so they're coming for YouTube's next, because it's not as easy to connect with your audience on YouTube as it is on Instagram. Like, you can literally talk to your people on Instagram. So YouTube better be careful. That's in my opinion. Me coming from customer experience, watch out. Actually, Google, hire me, because I got some ideas, but they ain't free. Now, what do I think you'll be seeing in the future now that Instagram ads are rolling out? Celebrities are about to go crazy. So y'all are about to see all your favorite celebrities, all your favorite baby mamas. They about to be on here because they post it for free anyhow, because that's how they get their sponsors. That's how they get y'all to buy in. That's how they get to buy a product. So now that they can post these videos, oh, IGTV about to be lit. Everybody about to be on IGTV. So y'all, if y'all don't want to see it, y'all better get on TikTok, Facebook, MySpace, something, because everybody is about to be out and posting. Okay? I foresee a lot of vlogs heading over to Instagram TV. IGTV has a couple of vloggers or whatever, or a couple of big YouTubers who just vlog little vlogs on IGTV, and also you've been seeing the 60-second vlogs on TikTok and stuff. All that's going to IGTV. People are not going to miss out on that bag. So they're about to take it over by storm. So all my smaller creators, if that's something that you're interested in, take your vlog off of YouTube, because it's harder to find your vlog on YouTube anyway. And most of my small creators already have at least 1,000+ followers on Instagram. So take your vlogs over there. It's going to be easy for them to watch. Make just short, concise vlogs, 2-minute vlogs of your day or whatever. And it's going to be easier for you to pump those out, edit them, and everything. So another message I have for my small creators is this is the time now. This is the time right now where you need to start growing your following, start engaging and different things. Do what you have to do so that you can gain your following now, so that when it's time for you to get your coin and they get out of this test phrase, that you can be one of the first people to do it. Because you have to think about it, like, it was so much easier to get monetized on YouTube back in the day. And literally the monetization process just keeps changing and changing, or getting harder and harder. And that's exactly what's going to happen on Instagram. But right now, when it's first rolled out, it's going to be a little bit easier. So my small creators, I feel like y'all need to, this is the time for us to hustle, get our people together, get our engagement up, so that people can have that buy-in to our videos. So homework time. Comment down below and tell me, how many followers do you think you'll need in order to get monetized on Instagram? My guess is about 10,000, but because they want to pull as many people as they can to Instagram and off of YouTube and create it on Instagram, they just might do it where it's like, if you have 5,000, but let advertisers pick which people they go to. And of course, advertisers won't go on people with 5,000 or whatever, but that's just my opinion. So all these new Instagram updates got you thinking like, maybe it's time for me to secure my bag with some passive income and get on Instagram, become a little influencer or whatever, start a business. Then boom, I say you should check out these videos right here. One Instagram recommends, and the other is my video on should you have a personal brand or a business brand, which one works best for you. So check them out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below so we can get this chit chat going. Give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'm Erica Rasha. Bye.